Take a good look around you. Lurking in the shadows is an unseen enemy, the seemingly endless mountain of laundry. It drains your precious time and energy. It's a relentless, never-ending cycle. For billions, laundry is a full day's work. Even with modern machines, the struggle persists. Convenience comes at a hidden price. Wasted resources and a negative environmental impact. It's time to rethink our approach to laundry. We need a smarter, tougher, more resilient way of tackling this challenge. It's time to seize back control of your time and your life. Get ready to meet your brand new, incredibly powerful weapon. The way we fight against laundry is about to be forever transformed. Let's step back and look at the bigger picture, the global implications of something we often consider mundane. Laundry isn't just a personal chore confined to our homes. It's a global issue with far-reaching consequences that affect communities and ecosystems worldwide. A single wash, believe it or not, can use up to 40 gallons of water. That's a significant amount. That's more water than some people in drought-stricken areas have access to in an entire week, highlighting the disparity in resource availability. Multiply that 40-gallon figure by the millions of households across the globe that do laundry regularly, and suddenly, we're facing a critical situation where we're rapidly draining our planet's precious water resources, all in the name of keeping our clothes clean. The overall environmental footprint of our laundry habits is undeniably massive, but it's a reality that's often overlooked or simply ignored in our daily routines. Every single load of laundry requires electricity to power the machines, and a significant portion of that electricity is still generated from burning fossil fuels, which directly contributes to increased air pollution and accelerates the already pressing issue of climate change. The financial cost associated with doing laundry is quite obvious, with bills piling up, but the hidden environmental cost is ultimately paid by each and every one of us, impacting our communities and future generations. For a significant portion of the population, laundry represents a heavy and often unmanageable financial burden, from the cost of the machines themselves to the ongoing expenses of utilities and the often unavoidable trips to expensive laundromats that eat into already tight budgets. Sadly, the current system disproportionately penalizes those who can least afford it, creating a cycle of poverty. It creates cycles of expense and dependency, making it difficult to break free from financial constraints. Over time, we've passively accepted this unsustainable system as normal and unavoidable, but the truth is, it's simply not acceptable. It's fundamentally unsustainable in the long term, and deeply unfair to those struggling to make ends meet. We urgently need to wake up and acknowledge the true and often hidden costs associated with our pursuit of clean clothes. It's time to actively seek out and implement an alternative approach that effectively breaks the cycle of environmental damage and financial strain. A solution that empowers individuals and puts the power back in your hands, allowing for more conscious and sustainable choices. A solution that truly respects our planet's finite resources and minimizes our impact on the environment. The laundry crisis, with its environmental and economic implications, is undeniably real. But the good news is that it's absolutely solvable with innovative thinking and collective action. We have the capacity to do better, both for ourselves, improving our own financial well-being, and for the world at large, contributing to a healthier and more sustainable planet for future generations. The time for meaningful change and decisive action is now, not later. Let's actively revolutionize the way we approach the task of cleaning our clothes, embracing new technologies and sustainable practices. The future of laundry, a future that is both sustainable and equitable, starts right here, with us. In survival, resourcefulness is a necessity. That's the spirit behind Pedal Clean Trademark, designed to empower you. This isn't just another machine. Imagine a washing machine that needs no electricity, freeing you from dependence on power grids. Pedal Clean Trademark lets you clean clothes efficiently, minimizing your environmental impact, and get a workout at the same time. It's human-powered, tough, and puts you in control. With every pedal, you're cleaning clothes, contributing to a cleaner planet, strengthening your body, and building a healthier lifestyle. And saving the planet one load of laundry at a time. No more reliance on the grid, giving you true energy independence. Pedal Clean Trademark works anywhere for anyone. We designed it to be fun, transforming a mundane chore into an enjoyable activity. Pedal Clean Trademark is more than eco-friendly. It's a statement about your values and your commitment to a better future, contributing to a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. The future of laundry is here, and it's powered by you. You don't need to be an engineer to use Pedal Clean Trademark. It's simple, a stationary bike frame connected to a washing drum. Pedal, and your energy spins the drum. No electricity needed. Load your clothes, add water and soap, and start pedaling. The machine uses a fraction of the water of standard washers. You control the speed and duration. Just 15 minutes for a wash. Drain the soapy water, add clean water and pedal again to rinse. Drain, then pedal faster for a spin cycle that wrings out excess water. In under 30 minutes you've washed, rinsed, and spun your clothes. You've used zero electricity, saved water, and got a workout. It's efficient, effective, and off-grid. You're in control. No more waiting, no more waste. Pedal Clean trademark is laundry, reimagined. Clean clothes powered by you. That's true independence. Pedal Clean trademark is more than clean clothes, it's a catalyst for change. It turns a sedentary chore into a chance for exercise. Regular pedaling boosts your health and energy. It's fitness built into your routine. Families can share the task, turning laundry into teamwork and connection. Kids learn responsibility and resourcefulness. The financial savings add up, lower bills mean more money for what matters. For tight budgets, it's a lifeline. Taking control of laundry builds confidence and self-reliance. You're no longer dependent on fragile systems. You provide for your family with your own effort. This mindset prepares you for any challenge. Pedal Clean trademark empowers you body, mind, and wallet. Stronger families, stronger communities, that's the real power of Pedal Clean trademark. Pedal Clean trademark is a global movement. In rural areas, it's a revolution saving hours of labor and precious water. It frees up time for education and work and community growth. Its low-water design is perfect where resources are scarce. It improves hygiene and public health. In cities, it's a space-saving, sustainable solution for apartments and small homes. No plumbing or electricity needed, just pedal. It's ideal for students, young professionals, and anyone seeking simplicity. Pedal Clean trademark creates local jobs. Its simple design can be built and maintained anywhere. It empowers communities, fosters independence, and builds resilience. This is more than a product, it's a grassroots revolution. From villages to cities, Pedal Clean trademark changes lives. Join the movement. The power to change your life is in your hands. Pedal Clean trademark is built on open access and empowerment. Buy a ready-to-use machine or build your own with our step-by-step plans. No engineering degree required, just basic tools and common materials. Building your own is rewarding and connects you to your resources. Learn new skills, gain confidence, and take pride in your creation. Our open-source plans are just the beginning. Adapt and improve them for your needs. Innovation happens in garages and backyards, not just labs. By sharing knowledge, we create a global community of builders. You're not just making a washing machine, you're building self-sufficiency. Pedal Clean trademark is a testament to human ingenuity. Start your own survival project, build your freedom machine. With Pedal Clean trademark, you join a global tribe. Connect with others who believe in smarter, sustainable living. Our online community is a hub for sharing stories, tips, and inspiration. Show us your Pedal Clean trademark in action, bought or built. Share how it's changed your life, saving money, getting fit, or bringing your family together. Your story can inspire others worldwide. Our forums offer support and advice for builders and users. Share your modifications and help the movement grow. We learn and innovate together. Follow us, join discussions, and sign up for updates. There's a place for everyone in the Pedal Clean trademark community. Together, we're a force for positive change. Welcome to the tribe. The world's challenges can feel overwhelming, but real change starts with small, conscious choices. Pedal Clean trademark is more than a washing machine. It's a symbol of self-reliance. You can choose to break free from expensive, polluting systems. You can choose to be a producer, not just a consumer. Turn a chore into an act of health and sustainability. This choice is yours, right now. Imagine a future where resourcefulness and resilience are the norm, where communities are stronger and more self-sufficient. Pedal Clean trademark proves simple solutions can have global impact. The journey starts with you, your hands, your feet, your decision. Build, buy, or share the idea. You're part of the solution. Every action is a vote for a better future. Don't underestimate your power. Embrace the challenge. Join the movement. Let's pedal our way to a better world, together. Your adventure starts now.